What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to download the game Sephiria on your PC. So the first step is open your Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Once you have done that, we need to locate this game on Steam first before we can proceed to another website. So go to the Steam website, and after that we need to search up the game Sephiria. So select it, and after that scroll a little bit down and you will find out that there is a free demo available, but we would like to download this full game. As you can see, the price on Steam is €14.79, but we got a little workaround for that. What you need to do is go to the video description where it says find game here, and you will be redirected to this webpage. Now the next step is search for the same game, Sephiria, and then search for it. Now select games on the left side and then sort by price lowest first. And as you can see, we need to watch a couple of things. The first thing is that this text needs to be marked green so the game can be activated in your country. The next step is to search for a PC version. Once you have found one, select it, and then you will find out that this game is available for just €11.51 compared to the price on Steam of €14.79. Now please note that these prices can be different in your country, so make sure you find yourself the cheapest one on this website. Once you have done that and purchased the game, you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including a activation key for Steam or a completely new legit Steam account to download this game on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers, guys!